What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful AMG GLA35 4MATIC. Now let us take a walk around to show you guys this unit before we hop right into the inside part of the car to show you guys the design and also the boot space and whatnot. So let us first admire the exterior shape of this car. The GLA is a very aggressive looking compact car in a way, SUV, crossover kind of a thing. But yeah, let us start off with the front lights. Now as you can see, these are the multi-beam lights that they're using, multi-beam LED. Your DRLs are located right on top here. We will turn them on shortly to show it to you guys, but nevertheless, check out how beautiful the lights actually look. Now, you do get some nice Mercedes-Benz star right there. Hopefully the camera can capture that. Now at the bottom right here, you have this sort of like aggressive looking AMG front bumper that as you can see, there's some opening right there for air to flow through. You do get this matte finish on the inside with some gloss black finishes on the outside right here for these lines to make it look aggressive. You do get the silver lining here, but you also get that black outer lining that happens all the way, connects back right behind the number plate. And you also get this satin finish of a front so-called skirting, front lip, very nice indeed. So silver, satin, and also get this chrome lining for the grills. As you can see, it does look very sporty, at the same time very aggressive as it can be. Now the badging right here is glass, so you do get your sensors located right at the back. You also get your 360 camera located right at the front right here, and of course your number plate goes right there. You got some airflow happening down here, you got some airflow happening down here. Very nice indeed. Now you do get your Alpha Tabak AMG badging, as you can see, very nice. And also you get this front hood that's aggressive in a way to make it, you know, as sporty as possible. So very stunning work indeed. Now at the bottom right here, similar design towards the left side. Let's jump right in to the side of the wheels. Now first thing you notice is that they're using Continental tires, of course, and the two-tone finish for the wheel itself. You do get this black finish on the inside, but of course it's a satin kind of a finish. You do get this silver on the outside, very nice. You do get your AMG calipers right there, drill disc brakes happening right behind there. And the beautiful part that I love the most is the AMG wording that's, how to say, embossed on the particular wheel that you guys get. So it does look very sporty and nice. Tire size 255/40 R20, so these are 20-inch wheels, very nice indeed. You do get this silver lining that goes across the whole wheel arch, and at the bottom right here you do get some matte finish blackout version all the way that continues to the side of the car with some chrome satin finish kind of a silver that's happening right there. Now at the side of the car you do get the turbo 4MATIC wording, as you can see right here, and also you do get your silver side mirrors with some matte black finish for the holder with some chrome going across the whole door panel side and pops right down. So very nice indeed. Yep. Stern indicators are right here. You do get your 360 camera located down here. Very nice indeed. You have your chrome door handles, as you can see right here, with some silver lining at the bottom right here. So let's open that up and let's check at the door side before we hop right in. Now you do get your amazing suede, it's more like DINAMICA finish lah, but yeah, it is not really leather, but as you can see it has that very nice ARTICO finish for an interior like this. You do get your leather at the top right here. You do get your red stitching that's happening all across the car everywhere you look at, and you do get this carbon fiber finishing of interior that you get for the side of the door. You do get your seat adjustments right there. You got your handle to open up the doors, and you get your window adjustments up and down. Compartment storage down here together with your Burmester sound system, as you can see right there. So yeah, you do get your AMG plates right here, very nice. AMG carpets right there. And that's the interior that you guys are looking at for a car like this. So love the red stitching that happens all over the seats, especially at the backrest as well, together with the side bolsters for your support. It does look very nice. At the bottom right here you get tons of red stitching happening right there, very nice. You do get your lumbar support happening right here as well, very cool. Now let's jump right in to show you guys how comfortable this car actually feels. Now, right here we are sitting at the front passenger seat, and you do get, once again, so-called this carbon fiber finish. I believe these are not actual carbon fiber, it's more like a design-like texture to make you feel like it is carbon fiber. But yeah, it's very nicely designed in a way. You do get your air vents located right here. You can turn them off or turn them on, totally up to you. Burmester sound system speakers right there, similar to ones down there. Glove compartment storage right here. Plenty of stuff to store. You do get some additional resting space to keep some stuff on the top right here. Dashboard. Speakers, similar material at the top right here. Hard plastic down here. And of course, you do get your air vents located right where they are right now. Control for climate controls down here, push. You get your place to keep your phone. I believe this should be your wireless charging as well. You get your Type-C connectivity. 2 cup holders where you can slot in. Very nice. You do get your volume up, volume down, your dynamic driving modes, and also a place to keep some stuff to get your parking camera that you can actually select to see what's going on. Underneath here, you do get your 2 Type-C connectivities, which is very cool. And yeah, it's a very compact kind of a car, which does look very nice indeed. Red seat belts, very sporty. And yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Fantastic. So now let's jump right down to show you guys the rear of the seats. Before that, let's take a look at the top right here. You do get this chrome bar that's happening all across right there. Very nice. The door handles right here are located on this side. Speakers located right there. You do get the red stitching at the top right here. You get this ARTICO finish. And also you do get your handles right here to pull to close the door. Compartment storage right there. You get your Burmester speakers right down there as well. So very nice indeed. Now on the inside right here, once again, plenty of space. Love the red seat belts. Once you have it on the car, it looks really good. And the center seats, they're using black. Very nice. Now let's jump right in and check out what are we looking at. So of course, compartment storage to keep some stuff. Seat belts, yeah. So center, what you guys are looking at, amazing layout. You do get your air vents located right here, and a small compartment storage right here, and also you got your 2 Type-C connectivities with another small storage space down there. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front, and also red seat belts, very nice. You cannot fold the center seat down, but nevertheless, let's jump right into the center. Yep, headroom is good. Side, let's push that down and let's head right out the car and show you guys the rear wheels for this GLA. So Continental tires, once again, you do get your tire size, which is at 255/40R20. Now the beautiful part about this car is that even your rear disc is also drill disc. Can you see that, guys? Those are drill discs at the back. You get your AMG wording right at the brake caliper. Love the wheel, once again, the black, and then you got silver on the outside together with the AMG engraved kind of like a wording. Looks really cool. Very nice. Love how the wheel looks, man. Now let's jump right to the back of the car, and you'll notice the design is very sharp, especially when it comes to the lights right here. So first we have the AMG wording in chrome. You got your Mercedes logo right there. You get your GLA35 wording right there, and also your brake lights are located right there. Wiper number plate goes right there, and you do get tons of sensors located at the back. This is a matte finish for a rear diffuser. You get some cuts right here to make the car look aggressive as it can be. Amazing rear diffuser. 2 exhaust pipes that you guys get. Now let's pop this up to show you guys what's actually hiding on the inside. So you do get storage places down here. Okay, not really to keep stuff, but more like your tire repair kit, and the subwoofer is located down there together with the tow hook. But yeah, your seats are foldable, and you can choose to fold them down by just pushing this. Check that out. Amazing space. Now we can do the same over here as well. And That's plenty of space that you guys can actually get with a car like this. So it does the job, very spacious and very nice. Okay, so let's jump right to the driver's side. Take a look at the doors. Seat adjustments, you got your memory seats right here. You get this, once again, not sure if it's I think it's a certain design kind of a finish, but yeah. Handle to open up the door, lock, unlock. You do get your window adjustments up and down, child lock, together with your side mirror adjustments, your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, compartment storage down here, Burmester speakers right there, and spot pedals down there. You do get it AMG carpet on the carpets, but you do get the side plates lighted up, lumbar support, driver's seat, steering wheel looks fantastic. Let's hop right in to show you guys the amazing appearance of this car. So first thing I have to tell you is that I love the steering wheel when it comes to these kind of settings that they have right here for you to press on to change. Driving modes for you to adjust on this side. You do get your other settings for you to control this screen. You get your cruise control, your speed limit to set, together with your cancel, resume buttons right here. On this side you can control this screen, this side you control this screen, but these ones are for answering the call, rejecting the call and whatnot. But yeah, very nice indeed for a setup. Very cool. Love the finishing that you guys get. Love the AMG badging right here in the center. Flat bottom steering wheel makes it look very sporty. So this is me sitting right at the front driver's seat. Very nice. The front right here, once again, I think I love the most is that the red seat belts. Fantastic. So let's take a look at the lights when it's turned on. So first thing you will notice is how gorgeous the front actually looks. Let's open up this door a bit to make it look more wider, so you guys can actually admire how gorgeous this car actually looks and feels, man. Love how aggressive this thing looks. Now take a look at the lights. DRLs, as I mentioned earlier. Love how they have that two white lights right there. Very nice. So let's hop to the back. So you do get your closing of the buttons right here. And let's close the boot down to show you guys how the lights actually look. Now I love how the lights are located on the inside right here. Very sharp the design looks. Now when you slam on the brakes, of course, I believe somewhere around here should light up, but these ones are your turn indicators. That should be your reverse light, but over here should be your brake lights when it slams, together with the center part of the car. Now it does look very aggressive and sporty, right? Love it. Now let's turn on these signal indicators to show you guys how it actually looks. Now let's jump right to the side of the mirrors. You'll notice they are located right here. Very nice, very clean. Very nice. Love the black dark finish on the inside. Now you do get your turn indicators at the top right here. The DRLs still maintained. Very nice touch over here as well. As you can see, does look very sporty and nice. Now let's jump right to the back again to show you guys the turn indicators located right there as well. See what I mean? The bottom, these should be your brake lights. When you slam on it, when you use it, that's where it's supposed to be. Now this is a petrol car, so of course your fueling should be on the left side. But yeah, very nice. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage, PJ, where you'll be able to locate this car and many more other cars right there, even the downstairs floor or even outside there. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.